everyone, this is Ankit from Kailasha Foundation for a Learn portal. Today we learn pronunciation system and in 2019 all our new courses have begun and this is the first video of English subject. So first we learn how to pronounce words. Uh, Pronunciation system needs to be learned very carefully because it is very important to understand the words properly. So moving on to next slide. First of all, we learn quickies. The letters, parts, syllables which are not to be pronounced with emphasis. Okay, the first word, Linda, mother, mother, about. The focus is on this part. That's why it is in capitals. And look at this. This symbol means a, which is pronounced for a very small fraction of time. This symbol a, and it is pronounced very small fraction of time. Different, different, different. And look at this symbol. This is I. It's not E, it's I. Idea, idea. Previous, previous. Sentence. Allowed, allowed. Normal, normal. This part is announced very quickly, especially this one. Okay, normal. Conversational, 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 conversational. Okay, let us repeat. Linda, Linda, Linda. Mother, mother. About, about. Different, different. Idea, previous. Sentence. Allowed, normal, normal. Conversational, conversational. It's not conversational, it's conversational. Now we'll understand accent. We'll take a look at what to emphasize and what not. This is how we write to understand how to pronounce. And look at these capital parts. These are to be emphasized. Okay. So, and this bar over I, it indicates I, and without bar, it is E. So it is egomaniacal, egomaniacal, altercation, altercation, anthropological, anthropological, conversational, egotistical, egotistical. The tis part is emphasized. Altercation, the K part is emphasized. K, okay. Altercation, anthropological. This part is to be emphasized. Look here, anthropological. It's not anthropological, it's anthropological. Look here, anthropological. Okay, anthropological. Now caution with S. Don't uh, don't do the don't do the unnecessary hiss. Means when you have a word ending in ns, the sound ns, then there is an unnecessary the hissing sound. You have to avoid that. uh, Ambivalence, ambivalence, affluence, ambivalence, affluence, affluence, opulence, opulence, sentence, sentence. So it will not be pronounced like ambivalence, ambivalence, affluence, opulence, sentence. Okay, the hissing sound is to be avoided as much as possible. Sentence, ambivalence, opulence, affluence. Now, pronunciation of I. We have to understand the difference between high, sci, fight, and misfit kit. This I is pronounced as I, I. It is E, E. Whenever there is a bar over I, you have to keep in mind that it is to be pronounced as I. So fights, spy, malign, malign, civilize, civilize, civilize. Okay, fights, spy, malign, civilize. Now consonant sounds. Consonants except G have all their normal sounds. Okay, consonants except G have all their normal sounds means just in the same way as are individually pronounced. Individually pronounced means B, B, B has its pronunciation B, C, D. So whenever you use B, C, D in words, B, C, D, B, S, D, these sounds come, but you pronounce G like G, but when you pronounce G, U, and gun, you don't pronounce it like Jun. You pronounce it gun. So G except G all have their normal sounds. G is different. G is an exception. Okay, exception. We have to keep that in mind that G is the only consonant which is differently pronounced. So agree, pagan, again. It's not ajri, pagan, and again. It's agree, pagan, and again. Vowel sounds, vowel sounds, a, cat. It is a. Okay, a, wet, e, sit, o, o, not, o, nut, a, a, martinet, 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 or, for. This is for. This is martinet, martinet, nut, not, sit, wet, cat, incorrigible, 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 a, eight, magnate, 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 eight. Okay, equal. It's not equal, equal. This is our word, and this is how to pronounce clandestinely, 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 clandestinely. So this is E, equal, clandestinely, E. Okay, this is O. What was the difference? Okay, this is O, and this is O. To, concerto, 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 concerto. This word will not be pronounced like concerto. It is concerto. Concerto. O. So whenever you come across this symbol, it is to be pronounced as O. And this, I'm talking about phonetics. Phonetics. Uh, Whenever you see phonetic language, then this will indicate O, and this one will indicate O. Okay, this is U, and this is U. Book, prurient, prurient, doom, blue, about, soil, taking. Now, we have to see the two ways in which th is pronounced. There's difference between thin, this, thing, though, and zh is pronounced like pleasure, pleasure, pleasure. Z. Zh is pronounced like this part, pleasure, z. Okay. Now, Eastern versus Western pronunciation. Some words that are pronounced differently at different places. In New York City, for example, the words below are generally pronounced as follows: orange, orange, talk, coffee, sorority, 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 coffee, talk, orange, incorrigible, incorrigible, disparage, disparage, Marie, 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 Marie. This is Marie, Marie. Astronaut, astronaut, astronaut. Harry, Harry. Hat, Harry. And in the Midwest and West, on the other hand, the same words are usually said approximately as follows: orange. It's not orange, orange. Talk, talk, talk. Coffee, coffee. Sorority, sorority. Incorrigible, incorrigible. Disparage, disparage. Marry, marry. These two are pronounced in the same way. Astronaut, astronaut. Harry, Harry. What did you learn in this video? Phonetics, proper pronunciation, then vowel sounds, consonant sounds, and a few exceptions. Okay. So, how to master pronunciation? The first thing is recognize the word, notice the syllables, pronounce proper sounds, repeat until memorized. This is the cycle you have to keep in mind. Importance of this lecture. Importance of this lecture: proper pronunciation improves scores in group discussions. It enables you to speak exactly what you want to speak. What is the relevance? Proper pronunciation enables you to understand lectures and videos or movies in a better way. What is the significance? Phonetic sounds help you read standard dictionaries and understand new words by just looking at phonetic symbols. Standard dictionaries and understand new words by just looking at phonetic symbols. Okay, what next? In the upcoming videos, we'll understand word roots, that is etymology. Then we'll understand parts of speech, that is noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, etc. Then we'll understand sentences, that is types of sentences and classification. Transforming sentences, that is direct and indirect speech, or active and passive voice. Okay. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and please drop your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Happy learning. Bye bye.